Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about learning how to thread Emel 8700, how to thread the industrial Emel machine. So first, you're going to place your thread on the spool pin, then you take out the thread out of the thread wrap and pass it to the first hole upward. This is the first hole upward on the machine. You're going to pass it through here. Next, you're going to pass it through another standpoint. You can either pass it through the first or the second hole. After doing that, you're going to pass it through another section again, which is this upper part, and next you're going to take it through the thread guide and pass it around the tension disc. There's a space around the tension disc where your thread can actually pass through. After the tension disc, you're going to take it to the thread guide. You take it through the take up lever. Through the other guide again, there, and then you take it through your needle's eye. Here we have the reeler, which can also be called bobbin, and the shuttle, which can also be called the bobbin case. Now you're going to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case and then allow the free end thread to pass the slot under the tension spring leaf until it enters the delivery eye. That's the last point. The bobbin and the bobbin case works together under the machine, and then you're going to hold the spring leaf and take it out. You're going to do the same method and then you push it in and it's done. Having done that, to get the thread from underneath come out, you're going to use one hand to hold the top thread and the other hand to roll the balance wheel so it brings the thread from on the outside. So guys, that's everything you need to know about how to thread the Emel 8700. Do not to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.